Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to trade stocks, how to trade in the stock market or the forex market with the help of support and resistance levels. Now support and resistance level I've explained to you guys in the previous videos, and I'm going to explain this in this video as well. So let's get started. As you can see, this I picked up a random stock. Now what are support and resistance level? Support level is that level in which as you can see that this level, I would show it to you with example. Now if you consider this area, this is support level. So what a support level means is that the area in which the buyers are active, and the resistance area is in which the sellers are active. Now this area is acts as a resistance level. I would mark it as red. You can see this area acts as a resistance level. Major price rejection, you can see that. The same here. So you can see that these both are now acting as support and resistance level. Now what I'm going to explain in this video, how to trade with the help of support and resistance level. You can see that this was the previous area of resistance level. So you can you can see that this this line acted as a resistance level for this part. For this part you can see that, but now it is acting as a support level. So what you can do at this point is that when you can see that at this candlestick the major price rejections occurred. The same with this one. So this is a great entry point. Enter at this area and you can, now this area is, now we have found out the resistance level as well. So you can see that major price rejections occurred at this candlestick. So this is a great area, this is a great sell zone, and this is a great buy zone. Great entry point and great exit point. So when you are trading with the help with support and resistance level, remember that, just remember that whenever you are trading with support and resistance level, wait for the other candlesticks to show you what results it will give you. Now if it opened at this level, if it opened at this level and above the, it opened somewhere at this line but closed above the previous day's close, then this means that this is a bullish trend. It will move in the upward direction. So if it moved like this, where is it? Sorry about that. If it moved like this, so this is a great entry point and this is a great exit point. So you'll have to find out your support and resistance levels in a major stocks or forex. So as you can see that none of this matched the, now you can see that this area matched this this resistance level matched this support level, but as it went down, so I'm going to use this area as my support level, as this resistance level as my support level. So it's all about, so whenever you are using these types of things, you can use the previous load up your chart, your previous data, and from that previous high or resistance level, if the trend line broken like this pattern, so you can use this you can use the previous resistance level as your support level in this case. So that's the method of using support and resistance level. You can see that none of these matched due to some major factors, volatility factors. This resistance level does not match this area, but it confirms that this is a bullish trend, so it went upward. Now as you can see at this area, this was a major resistance level, so the prices so the bears were active at this part and they showed their strength, pushed the market downward. Now let's load some previous charts. You can see that, take a closer look at this level. This is also a resistance level. So these prices are also under the resistance level, and this area is acting as a resistance level, and this one is now a support level. So whenever the price is falls down up till this point, use this area as your support level. use this area as your support level. So if the prices in case comes down, now whenever the candlesticks or the prices are falling down, drag down this till up till here. If it came down up till here, now again find out these area. So this is the method of finding out your support levels by so the method of finding your support level is by using the previous resistance levels. This is the method of finding this. This is the way that you can trade with the help of support and resistance levels. Now what should you do in these cases? It is the same. Find out your support and resistance levels, just like this. You can see that, but it is not clear in this case, as it is a side trend, so it's not clear in this case as compared to this. It was a downtrend and uptrend. It waves occurred at different parts, so this was more the idea and the concept of support and resistance level is more applicable in this type of stock. In this type of stocks you can use Bollinger Bands. Now let me show you Bollinger Bands. If it was a clear stock, then that would be, if it was a clear stock like trading in pattern like this area, so it was possible to use support and resistance level, but I would prefer using Bollinger Bands in this case. As you can see that it gives you more of a more idea about how the trend is doing. Now you can see that if the stock is at this level, buy at this level and sell at this level. So this is the method of using in Bollinger Bands, as support and resistance level are hard to apply in this case. Now let me show you. You can use this area as your support level, and again this area is your resistance level. For the some part it is applicable, as you can see, but for the mostly it is not applicable in this in these type of stocks. Use Bollinger Bands in this case. You can see 1 2 3, so up till this part it was applicable, and you can see that it went up giving you much more profits, but again it started drop down. So I would prefer using Bollinger Bands in this case. And hope you guys learned something from this video, and I'll catch you on the next video. Up till then, goodbye.